Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Mini-Lesson Series. In today's video, Medical Billing Basics Part 1, a quick beginner's guide, we're giving you a hands-on introduction to medical billing, a key skill for anyone interested in healthcare administration. Whether you're exploring a career in healthcare or just want to understand the process behind the paperwork, this mini-lesson will give you the essentials in just a few minutes. Medical billing is the process of turning healthcare services into standardized codes, submitting claims to insurance companies, and ensuring providers get paid accurately and on time. Professionals in this field are in high demand, and gaining these skills can open doors to jobs in hospitals, clinics, insurance companies, and billing offices. Let's dive into a quick mini lesson where you'll get actual, practical steps you can use right away. Patient information collection. When a patient visits a clinic, you first collect demographic and insurance information. This includes their full name, date of birth, insurance provider, and policy number. Accurate collection ensures claims can be submitted without delays. Medical coding basics. Each procedure or diagnosis has a standardized code. For example, CPT codes are used for procedures like a blood test or X-ray, while ICD-10 codes classify diagnoses like diabetes or hypertension. You'll practice matching services to the correct codes to ensure claims are accurate. Filing claims. After coding, a claim is submitted to the insurance company. Each claim includes patient info, procedure codes, and billing amounts. Mistakes in coding or missing information can cause denials, so double-check your entries before submitting. Handling denials. If a claim is denied, you review the explanation of benefits, correct any mistakes, and resubmit. Common reasons for denial include wrong codes, missing info, or services not covered. Knowing how to correct errors quickly keeps payments on track and your revenue cycle moving smoothly. Compliance and record keeping. Protecting patient data is critical. Always follow HIPAA guidelines, store records securely, and never share sensitive information. Good organization also helps if audits or insurance reviews occur. These steps give you a real tangible sense of what medical billers do every day. Even in a few minutes, you now know the key workflow: collect info, code accurately, submit claims, handle denials, and maintain compliance. Ready to take your medical billing skills further? Next up, Medical Billing Part 2, Claims and Denials Explained. Tap the on-screen video at the end or use the link in the description to watch Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly professional development mini-lessons designed to help you grow your skills and advance your career. Finally, visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for a wide selection of courses, certifications, and career-building resources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next mini-lesson.